time, we made a multi-level dessert, and today we're making a multi-level dinner. That's right, we're making lasagna. The ingredients are garlic, onion, marinara sauce, frozen spinach, salt, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, dried basil, dried oregano, butter, flour, milk, black pepper, nutmeg, no-bake lasagna noodles, and provolone cheese. Making the lasagna takes 4 steps: the marinara sauce, ricotta mixture, bechamel sauce, and finally assembling the lasagna. We start by dicing 1 monster onion. We mince 6 cloves of garlic and wash 1½ cups of spinach. In 2 separate pans, we saute the garlic until it's brown, and we saute the onions until they're soft. Then we add the garlic to the onions and add 32 ounces of marinara sauce and simmer for 10 minutes. Now we work on the ricotta filling. We combine 1½ cups of spinach, 2 pounds of ricotta cheese, 6 ounces of mozzarella, 1 cup of Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of basil, and 1 teaspoon of oregano in a large bowl. Now we prepare the bechamel sauce. In a Dutch oven, we melt 1 stick of unsalted butter and then whisk in 1/2 cup of flour. Now we pour in 4 cups of milk and whisk until the sauce thickens. Now it's time to assemble the lasagna. First, we preheat the oven to 400 degrees. We layer with the bechamel sauce, lasagna noodles, ricotta cheese, marinara sauce, and Parmesan cheese, and we repeat until the pan is full. Lastly, we put 6 slices of provolone cheese on top and cover with aluminum foil. And now we bake the lasagna for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes has passed, we remove the aluminum foil, top with mozzarella, and bake for another 20 minutes. Now the lasagna is ready to serve. It's not so structurally sound, but I think it's going to be delicious. Really cheesy. Oh, honey, I wish I could feed it to you, but it has onions and garlic in it. You can't eat onions and garlic, honey. And if you like this video, I suggest this one or this one.